Hi, I'm Alice. I'm from House of Travel and we're a UK-based travel agency specialising in Walt Disney World resorts and Universal Orlando holidays. And I'm here to answer the question today, what is inside the Epcot ball? Now, if you'll have watched our last video about Epcot, you'll know that the park is set around an iconic golf ball looking massive ball featured in the centre of Epcot. But what's that ball? What does it do apart from being Epcot's icon? It's actually a ride. So it contains Spaceship Earth, which is a ride through the past from the dawn of time all the way to our presentish journey as humans. It did used to be the biggest planetarium in North America, but now it is just a beautiful, beautiful sight to behold. You'll have to ride the ride to know what I'm talking about. It's really fun and interactive and is for the family. There's no fast bits, drops, anything like that. It is very safe and you don't have to be tall to ride. So it really is one for all the family. So that is what is inside the Epcot ball. It's a ride, it's a planetarium, it's a really fun experience and it is a true icon of not just Epcot. Have you ridden it? Let us know in the comments below and let us know what your favourite scene is as well. I like to thank the Phoenicians personally. Thanks so much for watching. Please do consider commenting, liking and subscribing. We've got plenty of other videos on our channel which you can check out and find lots of information about Walt Disney World and Universal. And if you want an exclusive gift, there is a guide in the link below which contains over 30 pages of tips, tricks and hacks all about Walt Disney World to make sure you have the best Walt Disney World holiday. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye bye.